ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਚੇਨ ਸਰਵੇਇੰਗ ਦਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆਬਸਟੀਕਲਸ ਇਨ ਚੇਨਿੰਗ। The surface of the earth is not even surface. There are many ups and downs. A plane surface is not always available. There are number of obstructions which surveyor has to face during chain survey. These obstructions obstruct ranging or chaining or both. Therefore, in order to overcome such as difficulties, it is essential to adopt certain techniques such as to produce the chain line and continues the same across the obstacles. The obstacles are mainly classified into three types are given below. Obstacles in chaining ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਮੀਨਜ਼ ਵੀ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਰਫਸ ਆ ਉਹ ਈਵਨ ਪਲੇਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਅਪ ਡਾਊਨਸ ਨਾਲ। ਤਾਂ ਸਰਵੇ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕੁਝ ਰੁਕਾਵਟਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ obstacles in chaining ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। obstacles ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਟਾਈਪਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। Number 1, obstacles in way where chaining is free but vision is obstructed, like hills or jungles or field full of crops, etc. Obstacles where vision is free but chaining is obstructed, like ponds, lakes, rivers. Obstacles where vision as well as chaining both are obstructed, like a building, high wall or a hill. Obstacles where chaining is free but vision is obstructed. There can two cases. When the ends of the line are visible from two intermediate points, in this case, reciprocal ranging is done described in Article 262 in order to continue chaining by stepping. Small hill A, B, C, D. When the endpoints are not visible from some intermediate point, example gives a few ranges of mountains or thick field or forest area which prevent the fixing of intermediate points. Thick jungle. In this, two or more similar triangles are developed so as to obtain 2 points on the chain line on the opposite side of the obstacle, without which it is not possible to continue the line. Just before the obstacles take any point B and run a random line VE1, passing as close to the obstacles as possible. On this line, take 3 points C1, D1 and E1 with 1 point C1. Just before obstacles and 2 points D1 and E1 on the other side of the obstacles. From C1, D1 and E1 draw perpendicular is C1, C, D1, D, E1, E. Now measure BC1, BD1, BE1 and CC1 we have. DD1 equal to BD1 by BC1 into CC1 and EE1 VE1 by VC1 into CC1. Mark points D and E and join them, which will represent the chain line. Distance BD equal to BD1 by BC1 into BC. Obstacles where vision is free but chaining is obstructed. In such a case, there is no difficulty in ranging. There are two cases. A. When it is possible to go around the obstacle, like river wind in case of meandering river or pond. When it is not possible to go around the obstacles, exemplification river. In this, take 2 points C and D on the opposite sides of the river. Run a line CV such that V is away from the obstacle. Bisect CV at E such that CE equal to EV. Join DE and produce it to A such that DE equal to EA. Measure AB which will be equal to CD. Pond. In the obstacles is a pond, then run VC and VE passing as close to obstacle as possible. Join CE such that point D lies on. Points B and D are selected on the line AF. B is before and D is after the obstacles. In triangle BDE, BD square equal to VE the square plus DE square minus 2 into VE into DE cos alpha. Cos alpha the value find करनी है ਆਪਾਂ cos alpha is equal to VE square plus DE square minus BD square by 2VE into DE. Now in triangle VCE, VC square VE square plus CE square minus 2VE into CE cos alpha. Cos alpha is equal to VE square plus CE square minus VC square by 2VE into CE. Locating the two values of cos alpha, we have VE square plus DE square minus BD square by 2 into VE into DE is equal to VE square plus CE square minus VC square into VE into CE. In the above relation, all the dimensions except D, VD can be measured and same can be calculated. When it is not possible to go around the obstacles, any of the following ways can be adopted. Number 3. River bank, flow of river takes C and D both sides of the river. C and D erect perpendicular CB at C and at V. Erect perpendicular AB bisect CV at E. On the VA, locate a point such that A, E and D are in the same straight line. Measure VA which is equal to CD. River flow. In addition to C and D, take point F, erect perpendiculars at C and F. Joint DV and produce it to meet FA and A. Cut EF equal to BC. Join VE from similar triangles BCD and FVEA. We have CD by VE, BC by EA, or CD BC by EA into VE. CD is equal to EA into CF. CD can be calculated. Obstacles where vision as well as chaining both are obstructed. There are two ways. Buildings. Just before the obstruction, take 2 points on the chain line. Let it VA and V. Erect perpendiculars AE and VF such that AE is equal to VE. Join EF and produce wind the obstacles. After passing these obstacles, take 2 points G and H. Erect perpendiculars GC and HD such that each is equal to AE and VF. Join C and D. VC will be equal to FG. For accuracy, keep A and V at a larger distance. Take EF on the chain line 10 meter apart. Construct equilateral triangles. Produce ED to A, ED to A. Measure VA is equal to 10 meter and construct another equilateral triangle. Produce AC to L and cut JL equal to 10 meter. Construct equilateral triangle JKL. Now EL will be equal to EA and LK when produced will represent on the chain line. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स ने जिदा a chain line ABC crosses a river V and C being on the near and distant banks respectively. A line BD of the length 10 meter is set out a right angles to chain line at B. If the bearing of BD and DC are 287 degree 15 min and 62 degree 15 min respectively, find the width of the river. BD is equal to 100 meter, CBD is equal to 90 degree. Bearing of VD 287 degree 15 min, bearing of DV 280 degree 15 min means 180 degree is equal to 107 degree 15 min. Now bearing of DC is equal to 62 degree 15 minutes. Angle CDV is equal to 107 degree 15 minutes 62 degree 15 minutes is equal to 45 degree. Now in right triangle BCD, VCYVD is equal to tan 45 degree is equal to 1. VC is equal to VD. Hence width of the river 100 meter. Second example, Sherville and CD intersect at high welding. To prolong the line beyond these obstacles, a perpendicular DE 200 meter long is set out at D from E. Two lines EF and EZ set out angles 45 degree and 60 degree respectively with ED. Determine the length of EF and EZ such that points F and Z lies on the prolongation of CD and also obstructed with length DF. High welding obstacles. DE is equal to 200 meter. Angle DEF is equal to 45 degree. Angle DEZ is equal to 60 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to DF by DE. DF is equal to DE tan 45 degree 200 into 1. DF is equal to 200 meter. Sin 45 DF is equal to DF by EF. DF is equal to EF sin 45 degree. EF is equal to DF by sin 45 degree. EF is equal to DF value 200 meter. Sin 45 is equal to 0.707. EF is equal to 282.88 meter. Now DEZ by EZ equal to cos 60 degree. EZ is equal to DE by cos 60 degree. DE is equal to 200 meter. Cos 60 degree 0.5. EZ is equal to 400 meter. Next topic, errors in chaining. While chaining, errors do rise will increase or decrease the length of the chain. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੇਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਚੇਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਰਵੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਦੋਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੇਨ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਰਰਸ ਇਨ ਚੇਨਿੰਗ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Actual distance 1575 meter, measured distance if 1582 meter, if 1567 meter, error is 7 meter, 8 meter, 7 meter is positive sign, 8 meter is negative 10 if 1567 meter. The error is positive if the measured distance is more than the actual distance and is negative if the measured distance is less than the actual distance. Errors in chaining are classified as cumulative errors, compensative errors, personal errors or mistakes. Cumulative errors, these occurs in the same direction, may be negative or may be positive. On the count of this, they are going to adding up and the measured distance increase or decrease accordingly than the actual distance. These are serious, should be avoided. It is proportional to distance covered in chaining. Compensative errors. These errors cannot be divided in spite of taking precautions such as weak eyesight, weather changes occur in the both directions, therefore may be positive or negative or cancel each other, being positive on the one side, negative on the other. These are not serious nature and are referred accidental errors. It is proportional to under root total distance changed. Cumulative and compensative error are due to incorrect length of the chain, incorrect alignment or defective ranging, sag in the chain, disregarding the slope, chain not being horizontal, not in a chain, large variation of temperature, wide straightening, wide ranging, variation of pull, incorrect length of the chain. In this, the errors is cumulative and may increase positive or decrease negative length of the chain. Therefore, it can be checked by testing the chain before and the after the survey work. Incorrect alignment or defective ranging, it causes positive cumulative error and can be checked by careful ranging. Sag in the chain. When the chain is stretched in air of a depression or valley, then the correction negative is equal to d square 2l. Error occurs. It is a positive, can be checked by supporting the chain at one or more points. Disregarding the slope, it causes a positive cumulative error, can be checked by changing steps by applying slope correction. Chain not being horizontal. The chain should be held horizontal while chaining along the slope, and if not so, then positive errors will be occur. It can be checked by not raising the chain above eye level and checking it horizontally with the plumb bob, not any chain. It induces positive error and can be checked by inspecting the chain before during the survey work. Large variation of temperature. It is on account of rise or fall of temperature. It is compensated error. What if the variation are more than it may be positive or negative? It can be checked by not doing the chaining work 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the summer. In early morning and late evening, winter corrects for temperature, where Tm means Ts, M is the for mean and S for the standard, wide statement. In high grass field or areas full of crops, a chain is likely to develop in form of wave which cause positive V error. It can be checked by giving few jerks to the chain before fixing an error. Bad range. In ordinary work, it produces relatively small errors in chaining, but in offsetting it will be more. The error cumulative is an example positive. Variation of pull. It is unimportant for ordinary work during the measurement. It should be equal to the pull of standardization. This is compensating error, but it pull is applied to less or to more, then the error become cumulative and correction is for same become necessary. Correction of for pull. P means P not into L A E. Personal errors or mistakes. These may due to inexperience, carelessness, inattentiveness of the surveyor and are of serious nature. These can be checked by doing the survey systematically. These are due to wrong recording, misreading the tape, negative chaining, reading odd links, displacement of an arrow, loss of an arrow. Wrong recording. These occur when the distance and reading are spoken on the count of misunderstanding, misreading the tape. It is on account of wrong reading and not looking at zero while measuring distance in opposite direction. Negative chaining it should be avoided. It is due to carelessness as it at the end of the day. There is tendency to put the front end of the chain or the finishing point, then to read the chain backward. Reading odd lines. Tallies which have same shape may be misread, leading to the error. Displacement of an arrow. Once the arrow is displaced, it is very difficult to fix to its original position. In order to check it, cross mark should be made. Loss of an arrow. No number of arrows should be checked during the progress of the work. See that total is same and once less is always fixed. A 100-meter tape is held in 1.5 meter out of the line. What is the true length of the chain? Correction on account of incorrect alignment is equal to negative d square by 2l. D the value 1.5, the square 2l into 100 meter. Is answer is equal to minus 0.01 meter. True length 100 meter minus 0.01 is equal to 99.99 meter. Next topics, different operations in chain surveying. Different operations in chaining are ranging, chaining, offsetting. All these methods have been discussed in detail under article. Chaining on Level surface on the slopes as we discussed under article 2.8. Recording of field notes. The measurement sketches and other information collected from the field, the help of chain or tape is recorded in a notebook of future reference, referred as a handbook, the size of which is 200 mm to into 120 mm. It opens lengthwise. Two types of field books are in use: single line field book, double line field book. Single line field book. In this book, a single red line ruled down in the middle of each page. This line is chain line against which the length of the chain changes for offsetting are taken, and the space on either of the line is used for drawing sketches along the chain line. The distances of offsets are recorded opposite of the chain changes either to the left or right of the line depending upon the actual position of the object in the field. It is used for large scale and much detailed information as required for this scheme to be planned. Double line field book. In this book, two lines red or blue about 15 mm to 20 mm apart are ruled down in the middle of each page. In this case, two lines represent the chain line, and space between these lines is used for recording chaining along the line. The spaces between these lines is recording the chaining along the line. The space on either side of line is used drawing sketches along the chain line for writing measured distances of the offsets. Generally, it is used for ordinary work. Points to be kept in mind while recording a survey of field works. The following points should be kept in mind while recording a survey field book. Number all the pages certificates should be recorded on the first page. Example, I certified this NOS have been recorded by me, and all pages are from 1 to date, signature and definition. Before the starting, draw a rough sketches of the area showing the location of main stations, check stations, tie stations, etc. Recording is the start from the bottom of the page written upward. Last entry of the end of the page must be repeated on the next page in case it is to be continuous. The distances along this chain line should be entered between the two lines. Offsets should be entered either to the left or right of the chain line. Between each entry, space should not be less than 10 mm or more than 15 mm in the order of about conjunction. While recording, the recorder should always face the direction of chaining. Recording should only be done in the field. Overwriting and erasing should be avoided. In case of any correction, old one should be cancelled and new one should be written above this and initial with date. And order to say main station symbol should be chosen. Each line should be started from zero chains and should be ended as the length of the line. The name of the station is written close to the symbol. The tie station should be indicated by circle, and in it name by station should be recorded. The direction of the tie line check line should also be recorded. Every new line should be started from the new page. Offset should be written near the object. Its sketches should be drawn in the handbook. Any perpendicular line should not be drawn from the object to the chain line, they should be entered in the order they appear. The sketches should not be drawn to scale. Name of the object should be written along with dimension details. If a road or bridge or river or stream or a finch etc. crosses a chain line, then it should be represented with a break at the chain line along with the direction and should not be shown continuously from other end. North direction with respect to any main survey line must be recorded carefully. Object convention sign of color, metallic road convention sign, color Burnett sign. Railway black, railway double line black, road bridges Burnett sign, railway bridges black, road and rail level crossing black Burnett sign, telephone or telegraph line black, electric line black, north direction black, contour line, ocean blue line black numerals, tunnel black, culvert Varanasania road, jungle hedge green, orchard hedge green, grassy line hedge green, cultivated lined drain blue ਜਾਂ cultivation green, one line black, rough edge black.